everyone. So I have had a lot of time to do some stuff. I'm sorry I haven't been making videos, but now that I got my new camera and a new tripod, we'll be making way more videos. First off, this is how it's running. I got the wideband in. The AEM wideband is essential for tuning. You're kind of, even with an all motor or turbo or supercharged, you need a wideband gauge. You're kind of driving blind or tuning blind, which is exactly what we did once I installed the S300. Also, the S300 just connects through this cable right here. My laptop actually fits inside the glove box, which is really nice. But me and my buddy from Winfield have been tuning on it. We were running into issues without the wideband, so I went out and bought a $169 AEM wideband, which is really nice. It's a really good wideband. But so I've been tuning for the last 3 or 4 days straight, and I actually got a video for you guys of how it pulls through the gears. It pulls way harder than it did before. I don't think the video does it justice. Like, this thing is insane. I mean, it's not like super fast, but it's a lot faster than a lightly modified Y8. So, and it's a Y7 bottom end with a P29 forged pistons, ARP connecting rod studs, fresh rebuild, Y8 head, Skunk 2 intake manifold with 70mm throttle body, the carbon fiber password JDM intake pipe with a PLM style drag header. Yanaka catback exhaust, 8-pound flywheel, stage 2 clutch. Obviously it's 5-speed, which I'm missing my knob, but I got a Mugen one coming, this neochrome, to match my steering wheel. Basically, I have been busting my butt on this car, and I'll show you under the hood real quick, but I do have a video for you guys of how it pulls through the gears. Today I actually got my brand new fenders, so I painted them gloss white to match. Now they look better than the rest of the car. Got new bumper fasteners for the front. Obviously, the other brand new fender. My hood will be here tomorrow, because as you can see, this one's pretty trash. But I'll be painting it white as well to match. It's coming along nice. I put brand new tires on, really cheap tires, but man, they hold pretty good. I'm surprised for $175 worth of tire. I mounted and balanced them myself. Coated wheels, I painted gloss white. I paid $280 for the wheels and $175 for tires. Basically, I've just been on a money spending spree right now. And here it is, all of its speed. It's running fantastic. I had to get new terminals because it was having a charging issue. Yep, looking beautiful, running beautiful. Such a great car. But I did put the spike ones in the rear. And it's doing great, man. I don't know, this thing's just absolutely impressed me. I don't have the stage 2 cam or valve spring with retainers yet, because we decided to spend the money on other things. We got new furniture and things the kids have always wanted. So basically we're splurging for the kids and the house. Paid a couple months rent just so we have more spending money. But yeah, you guys want the video? Here it is. Yeah, stay tuned for more. We'll definitely be getting more videos going. Hopefully Casey will have money soon so we can get started on his coupe. We're gonna make it a real sleeper. We're just gonna leave it ugly how it is, and we're gonna build a high boosted 500 horsepower plus D16 Z6. And a lot of you probably noticed my haircut. Man, I just couldn't maintain those curls. They're getting crazy, so we just knocked it down, and we're gonna wait for it to grow back out to where I want it. But Anyways, thanks for watching, everybody. Sorry I haven't made a lot of videos, but there's got a lot coming still to the channel still, so definitely hit that subscribe and like, and turn the bell notification on so you can get notified when I got video. Thanks for watching.